In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the secret strategy I use to make over 50K in tutorial videos, all from promoting one type of software that you've probably never heard of. Now, the best part is you never have to appear on camera to use this video marketing strategy we're just about to cover. Now, you can do this starting from scratch, free, with no following or website. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video where I reveal advanced tactics that you can use to quadruple the money you make from promoting software programs with this technique. So if you're ready, let's dive in and we'll talk about the different methods you can start using today. Okay, first we'll cover the three basic foundational concepts of the strategy, and then we'll dive into the more advanced methods of promotion. So step one, you have to find a popular software with an affiliate program. So I was promoting a photo editing software program in the photography niche. Now step two, you learn how to use the software by watching other tutorial videos first. Now step three, you create a new YouTube channel to post your tutorial videos, and you'll attract targeted prospects that would be interested in using the particular software. Now step four, you start creating similar tutorial videos with your own spin, so similar to ones that you already see that are getting traffic. Now let's briefly talk about search engine optimization. So people go to Google or YouTube to search for solutions for things like how to do blank or blank tutorial. So you have to start thinking of keywords that someone might type in to find the solution to a problem, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Then YouTube and Google will also show you some of the top searches, so have a look at Google and YouTube for similar search terms. Now look at the number of views to gauge demand. Now let's get into the keywords in a little more depth that we'll use to attract targeted traffic. Now usually there's competing software programs that do a similar thing. So the software I was using is called Capture One, and it's a photo editing software which is similar to Adobe Lightroom, which is only available as a subscription model. So you could do a series of videos like this, Capture One versus Lightroom, or why I think Capture One is better than Lightroom, or Capture One versus Lightroom, which is better. Tired of paying for a Lightroom subscription? Try Capture One, because it's a one-time payment only. Then you can break down the software into different features. So another example would be how to do a portrait retouch in Capture One, or how to edit landscape photos in Capture One, or how to edit street photos in Capture One, or how to edit night photos in Capture One, how to edit wedding photos. So you can see within a software, there'll be different categories with different keywords that'll appeal to a different audience. So think about the different target markets that would be interested in using the software. Then you can also target broader keywords like Capture One Basics or Capture One Tutorial for Beginners, step by step. Thinking of switching to Capture One? Watch this tutorial first, or Capture One Review. Also, you can use a tool like the Headline Analyzer, and that'll give you some headline ideas. Now, YouTube search results, search for similar videos with similar keywords and length, also catchy looking thumbnails. All right, in this part of the video, I'll show you step by step some of the different videos that I use to get traffic. So remember, I started this channel, I didn't have any following, I built it over time. That's how all channels start. Now also too, you don't have to appear on camera for software tutorials. So you can see I've got playlists. So what that looks like is you would create a playlist around a specific software. So find a software with an affiliate program, and then you create a series of tutorials around that specific software, thinking about the different keywords. So you can see I have a couple of different playlists. And I'll also give you some advanced strategies, so stick around for that. Now let's just look at some of these and the number of views they have. So this is a software similar to Adobe Lightroom, but it wasn't available as a monthly subscription. It was a one-time purchase, and then they would have a yearly upgrade to the newest version, and then once a year they would release a version. So for example, you'd start in Capture 8, and then you would have Capture 9 and Capture 10 and so on. So if a software does that too, you can always have the latest features that each version has too. So that's just another video idea that you can use. Now the idea is to sign up for the software affiliate program, like I said, and then create playlists around that. You could even create an entire channel. I know people that all they taught was Adobe Photoshop, and they had millions of followers. So it's something that you can do with just about any software. Now let's look at some of these and the traffic numbers. So you can see this one here has over 49,000 views. This one 12,000 views, 4.7K views. This one here, 32K views. And so you could see some videos maybe don't do as well. Like this one has 600 views, but it's a Black Friday sale. So it's very targeted because you know that that's going to go out to people who are thinking of taking advantage of a discount. And in fact, this discount was 30% off. Even though this only had 600 views, when you're thinking about seasonal sales and targeting software and their affiliate programs, that's a great idea. Now here you can see another one, 74K views, and then 3.4K views, 27K views, 2.7, 8.9. Look at this one here, almost 100,000 views. And this one is targeting Capture One versus Lightroom, which is a competitor. So always that's a good idea when you're thinking of target keywords, because often people are thinking to themselves, should I get this software or that software? What's the difference between these two? So they're often on the web looking for the differences. So if you can break down the differences and say, hey, you know, this is good, but I think this is better. An advanced strategy that helps it convert even better is if you can get a specific discount code for your followers, and then you can get an additional 10% off, and then you could offer that coupon code to your followers. That's also good. And I'll cover another advanced strategy in a second. Now you can see this one has 20K views, so it adds up. Now this isn't the only thing that I did on this particular channel, but it ties in with some of the other videos that I did on the channel as well. So you want to always thinking about the market and who's in that target market that you're speaking to, and then tailor those videos around that. Let's say the make money online niche, and it's a certain type of software. What types of people are going to want to use that software? So is it like ClickFunnels? So you could build a whole channel around ClickFunnels tutorials, so that kind of thing, targeting different types of business owners possibly. Just another idea using the same strategy. Now another way too is you can also target keywords. So you've got to think about what are people thinking about just before they make a purchase. So they're thinking of reviews, so review videos. Also they're thinking about voucher codes, because sometimes you go to a checkout page and it'll say, do you have a coupon code or do you have a discount voucher code? So you've got to be thinking about those keywords. Whatever the terminology is on the checkout page, whether it be coupon code or voucher code or discount code, start using those keywords in your descriptions as well, because that way if someone searches for the voucher code for a specific software, then your video will come up and it'll have your coupon code, which will also give them, 10% off. So they're going to use that as well. So if you can rank on YouTube for target keywords, now you can see I've got a few where it says Capture One Pro discount voucher coupon. Then I've got another one here, Pro coupon code. Then I have Capture One Pro, save 15% off. I've targeted keywords with the discount code, as well as I've targeted this software versus that software. And then there's other ways to sort of branch out with like different versions and the new features for different versions. And then also specific keywords that someone might be looking for. Like I said before, portrait retouching. It could be Capture One wedding retouching. It could be landscape. It could be just about anything, street photography. And I have a couple of different playlists. So I've got one here with 11 videos. Then I have another one here with 7 videos. So there's about 18 videos, but it really wouldn't take long to create all these videos. And if you got really specific and only did software videos, all you'd have to do is just watch as many software videos as you could, take some notes, plan out a series of videos, and then you could do this for multiple types of software in a certain niche that are related. It's really profitable because people can only get this software online, so they're searching for information. Now, not only could you use YouTube, but you could also use TikTok, you can use Instagram Reels, you could also have a blog, you could have a Facebook group, and then you could have all of these things combined in email list as well. So putting people on an email list, telling them about different upgrades or different features or different tutorials. So you could really build an entire business around promoting one or two pieces of software. And so I've lost track of how much I made from Capture One. It's easily over $50,000 just from one software program alone. So you can see that this can be a very profitable business, even just focusing on one or two types of software. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you found these tips helpful or useful. If you'd like access to my 6-figure checklist, make sure you look in the description box below this video. I'll put a link to that there and all the tools that I use in my online business as well. So check out the description box for more info. All right, if you found this video helpful, make sure you give me a thumbs up for this video. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you get updates when my next video goes live. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, you can post them down below. Oh, also too, at the end of this video, I'll put a playlist so you can check out more of my tutorial videos. Make sure you check those out too, because there's a lot of different tips that I cover in each video that I may not have covered in this video. So make sure you check out that playlist. I'll put it at the end of this video. I'll also put a link below this video for a link to the playlist. Like I said before, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.